Just a normal day. Or is it? If you listen very closely, you can hear a noise that is not normal. Listen. Listen. What the fuck is that noise? What?